Now, Rowan has her big giant monkey. Let's show and tell about your monkey. Now, what is it, Rowan?
It's a big monkey. He's my friend. He just plays with me all the time.
What's his name?
His name is Banana.
Antonio, sit down. What are you doing? Okay, turn him around so we can see him. Ooh, it's a big monkey. Your mommy bought it for you? What does the monkey say? Banana, banana.
He can't talk right now.
He can't talk right now.
No. He can live in soup right now.
Oh.
He can live in trees and swing.
That can live in the trees and swing. Well, that's a big monkey. Who bought it?
I bought it from the airplane.
From the airplane?
Yeah, I go to Disney World.
Oh.
Make Disney World.
What else, Rowan?
I just play with him downstairs, but
Mhm.
I can't go downstairs.
Mhm.
He needs to walk with me, and Mom can buckle a bit in my car,
Mhm.
but he can ride in. He was living in my tummy,
Mhm.
and I just raised him when he's just tiny,
Mhm.
and he was living in my car seat all the time. He was going to school and following his car all the time, and I just can't, when he has lots of germs on himself, on his eyes, I should take him a shower.
Mhm.
Take him a shower? Yeah. She can get you a shower? My mom just got this and I was doing the waves, and I got something in my pocket I got. What? A ring? A ring?
A ring. It's special.